your compressor is hooked all the way up, plumbed in and everything now. I changed up what you had over here some because the angle was, I wanted the angle different. It was interfering with the shelf and the thing was sticking. Anyway, kind of undid it and whatever. And I'm at a 1/2 inch because I didn't find, and I didn't feel like tracking down and spending on a 3/4 inch regulator. So since that was going to be my pinch point, I didn't worry about trying to go to 3/4 on the rest of my plumbing. So I just went with 1/2. So we got that 1/2 inch hydraulic hose that you had, and a 1 inch plug that if I ever need to do something, I can do everything I need off of that. Little spud there goes in behind. Got me a regulator with a water thing, an oil separator, filter, whatever. And it's holding, same as the tank, about 160. It turns itself on and shuts itself off. Perfect. You know, I hooked it up on my thing here with the welder plug, and I swap out the heater when I need it, an air compressor when I need it. I used PEX, just standard PEX. It's SharkBite brand, but this is not that push lock SharkBite style. It's the crimp style. And I have no leaks at all. I've got, let's see, 1, 2, and 3, 4, junctions, whatever. I've checked them all with soapy water. I have no leak at all anywhere, except I had a not quite as straight as I'd like it on the ceiling. It's more flexible than what I would have thought. Before I sprayed it with soapy water, check for leaks. Anyway, doesn't look quite as clean as I'd have wanted it to. There's my drop. The only place I had a leak was on this iron fittings here. Had one leak right there, and it was a pretty good one. I used that pipe dope on it, but it leaked anyway. So I took it apart and I put Teflon tape and pipe dope on it and said, all right, now, bitch, leak now, I dare you. And it didn't leak. Kara come in here and she said she thought she might have heard a little hiss, but I sprayed and sprayed water everywhere and never did find any leak. And I had enough of that leftover hydraulic hose to make my connection here. Anyway, it seems to work good. I'm gonna back it off to about 125 PSI or so. But anyway, that's what we ended up doing with your compressor there. I really appreciate it. Turned out good, and I like it. PEX seems to be working good over there. I know I've only got one drop, but if I need more drops in the future, this stuff is so easy to cut, and little junctions are so easy to make. It'd be too easy to do whatever I need to do. So anyway, talk to you soon. Bye.